My semester starts in legit 36 hours and I'm not ready for this. Hey everyone, welcome to my happy space. As the summer break is coming to an end, it's time to gear up for another academic year. In today's video, I will be taking you all along with me as I prepare for the new semester. We will be discussing all the things you should do before heading back to school. So grab your notebooks and your cup of coffee and let's dive right in. First and the foremost thing is to make a to-do list. I call this a SEM prep to-do list. I bifurcate into three categories: academic, personal and miscellaneous. Academic category contains all the stuff that I need to do to get a head start into the academic year, like knowing my subjects, writing them down on a piece of paper, updating my Notion, updating my Google Calendar, cleaning my desktop up, cleaning my workspace, setting goals, downloading books and other resources, and checking my syllabus and printing it out for future needs. The next is the personal category, where I keep everything that I do to pamper my own self for the new semester, like getting my nails done, doing a face mask, getting a haircut, setting a morning and night routine, getting a skincare routine, etc. The last but not the least is miscellaneous category. It contains everything which I could not put into the academic or the personal category, like getting my driving license, going footwear shopping with mom, posting a LinkedIn post on the last internship that I did, posting an Instagram post for the last vacation, making an August bullet journal, and buying school supplies. Also running some errands with my mom for some official work. Okay. So in this particular video, we would be focusing more on the academic category rather than the other two, because I believe that the other two are based on personal preferences and they differ from person to person. First thing on my SEM prep checklist was to check on all my subjects. For this, I logged into my college student portal to review my course list for the upcoming semester, and I did the SEM registrations for this semester as well. Sorry, I forget to record that part. Now I am jotting down all the subjects that I would be taking in this particular semester. Along with the course name, I am writing down the code for that particular course, the credits for that course, the name of the professors and lab assistants that would be taking our classes, and there is a different change in the venues for the courses as well, so I am writing them down too. With this, as you can see in the video, I am using colors to color code my subjects. This will help me in digital organization that I would be doing further in the video. I am using the rule of one color for one subject. Here I'm making folders in my Google Drive for the courses. This will help me in the digital organization of the resources as I go along in the semester. I know you want to know how I do this, so I am showing you how I do it. So I use the Shift F key to make a new folder. The folder nomenclature that I use is the course code, then the course name. As you can see, a new folder has been made. I do a right click and go to the change color option, and to change the color to the course color I have allotted it. I love using Notion to stay organized, so I'm going to update my college Notion page for the new semester. This is the most exciting part for me. I made the subject page template in my freshman year of college that I use till date with some changes here and there. In the dedicated page for each course, I add important details like the syllabus, professor's information, drive link to the folders and any significant information required, along with a link to my master to-do list. I also changed the cover of my pages to make it look more aesthetic. I use a theme every year for this, and this time it is the sky. I would show you more in my upcoming video on my Notion tour. Let me know if you guys want one in the comment section below. Time to get my digital calendar in order. With my class schedules at hand, I will be updating my Google Calendar with all the class timings and class codes. To make it visually appealing and easy to follow, I use a color coding scheme to color code my events based on different categories like classes, sessions, personal commitments, events, etc. I will also use the same color coding scheme I used earlier in my Notion and my Google Drive to color code my subjects here. The process that I follow is that I drag my mouse down to the class timings for that particular course. The title nomenclature I use is the course code, then the course name. I have kept it similar on all my platforms, Google Drive, Notion and Google Calendar. In the event category, I chose classes and changed the color to the course color. I make it repeat weekly on Mondays, and sometimes in the description I add the venue as well, and then click on Save Changes. This is how it looks on the screen. Once I'm sorted with my subjects, I'm going to work on compiling the syllabus for the courses I am taking this semester. After doing so, I take a printout of the syllabus. Having a physical copy of the syllabus with me helps me understand what topics will be covered and what assignments I will be working on throughout the semester easily. Next, I'm tidying up my physical study area. I will remove any items that don't belong on the desk and reorganize my notes drawer. Carefully sorting through my notes from last semester, I will keep the ones that might come in handy for future references, and for the rest, I am excited to share the knowledge with my juniors who will be taking those courses next year. Every semester, I have this one notebook that I use to write my key takeaways from the class along with other important information for all my courses.
I use this as a reference to write my notes along with the presentations given by the professor, books, and other online resources. As the new semester approaches, it's essential to take a moment to pause and reflect. With the hustle and bustle of a hectic sem ahead, I want to ensure I am mentally prepared for the journey. Taking a step back now will help me come back stronger and more focused. So I am writing down my reflection for the past 2 months of summer internship and about my last semester, noting down all the key takeaways, learnings, and experiences I had that will help me in the future. All of us know that taking out time to do self-care and focus on one's well-being is very important. I'm taking this time to relax and recharge. I'm doing all the things that I love to do, like doing something creative, going on nature's walk, watching YouTube, and spending time with my family. Goals are the fuel that keep me going, so I'm going to set some specific and achievable goals for the semester. I'm writing them down in my journal, so this will help me to be focused and achieve those goals. The intentions or goals that I have for this sem are procrastinating less, not using my phone during lectures, staying focused and doing my work the day it is assigned, joining a book club so that I could read more than 10 books as the year ends, improving my time management skills, not overburdening myself and rewarding myself when I do something good, trying to be more optimistic. Let's get my backpack ready for college. This clip is after the first day of my college. I went to college and all the professors briefed us about the course in the textbooks that would be used for learning. So now I'm finding the books recommended for all the courses. We'll be browsing the online platform to get all the required reading materials and will keep them organized in my Google Drive in the particular course folders that we made earlier, making it easy to find the right resources when I'm studying. And here you have it, my complete SEM prep guide. I hope this journey inspires you to start your own preparations. Remember, being prepared is the key to success. If you stayed till this part of the video, comment down the notebook emoji. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. Wishing you all an amazing semester ahead. Bye bye.